How to change Yahoo Mail password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can change the password for your Yahoo Mail account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change the password for your Yahoo Mail account, all you have to do is first just open up the Yahoo Mail application. Once you open this exact Yahoo Mail app on your phone, you want to simply make sure to sign in with your Yahoo account. Now in order to change our password, tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and in here you'll find the option called Manage Accounts. So just go to Manage Accounts. Here you'll be able to see all of the Yahoo Mail that you've added. Tap on the account info button right next to the Yahoo Mail of which you want to change the password. So I'll just do that as well. I'll just tap on the account info button. Here you'll find the option called Security Settings. So just tap on it and then make sure to confirm your identity as well. And then once you come to Security Settings, you'll be able to see all this, where you'd basically need to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called Password. So just scroll down and you'll find the option that says Password, as you can see over here. And if you want to change your password, just tap on the Change Password button right next to it, and then here it'll ask me to simply create a new password. So let me go ahead and do that as well. Once I create my new password, make sure that you set a strong password. If you don't know what you've typed in, you can tap on the I button right next to it, and then just tap on the Continue button from the bottom. And as you've done that, you'd have successfully changed the password for your Yahoo Mail account. That's all it takes to change your Yahoo Mail password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.